Okay, so on this question, what it says is rewrite as a single power of 6. It means I want to have a base number of 6 and then an exponent, just one exponent. All right, so I'm not going to write my answer in the simplest radical form, but when I look at this, say to myself, this looks disastrous, so I'm going to rewrite the numerator and denominator with fraction exponents. So this number right here is the base, that is the numerator, this is the denominator, and I'm going to do both of them that way. Remember, if you don't see a number here, it's a 1, and if you don't see a number here, it's a 2. Okay, so you say to yourself, all right, I've simplified that. This still looks like a mess. It's not a single power of 6. I have 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remember, if I had something like a to the 5th and a to the 3rd, that would simplify to a squared. And what I did is I subtracted these exponents. So I can do the same thing here because these bases are the same. They're both 6s. So if I took 2/3 and I subtracted 1/2, right? 2/3 subtracting 1/2. Unfortunately, I have to get a common denominator, but not too tricky. So now this is 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. So when I subtract that, I get 1/6. So my answer ends up being 6 to the 1/6 power.